everyone on Saturday now. It me Sansi. Well, you know how to find me. I add look here. Today is very nice, sunshine now coming. Sometimes have a windy, cloudy, and now sun coming. Well, that's what my office here at Rompo Mukata Market. You will see visa is that in Pattaya it's me now. Me and then you know my job. I have help elderly people about visa, retirement visa, looking land, house, condo, about investment company, everything about law system. You need help invite. I am here now to help you. Well, don't forget to call and book appointment. If you need land, have farm, right? You want to do about a farm and then a land as a Khon-Kaen. And then if you need land and farm, you want to be a farmer, I will help you. And then if you need to buy land or rent or do business, it's me here now. You need company, you open company about retirement leave here, married visa, anything about law system, about government Thailand. If you want to know, just call me and book appointment and come to see me first, and then help you about married visa, everything, and you happy life here, live here, looking rent condo, stay where you live, where stay, and then good for you, good for health insurance. About law system, well, just call me. You know how to find me at Rompo Market Mukata. I am here now. Don't forget book appointment first. Bye everyone. Enjoy. Have a nice day on Saturday and Sunday. Call me first. Bye.